In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install the chess timer on your iPhone. So what you need to do is go to the App Store, and then on the App Store, just go to the search function and search for chess clock. Okay, then hit search, and this is the clock we are looking for. Okay, so if you can just tap on it to open it, it's by chess.com. So make sure that is the clock you're going to install, this one by chess.com. So just go ahead and tap on get and have this app installed onto your iPhone. Now the app is completely free, no need to pay anything. There are no ads, it's just a flawless chess clock that you can use on your phone. Now it's a very small app, so it takes a couple of seconds to install. So all you have to do now is open. You can also launch it from the app screen. It's gonna always be there. So just launch it from there and start playing chess. So just time like that, like that, like that. And you can hear that sound it makes. So you can always pause and then reset using this reset button. You can change the time using that. Maybe you want 30 minutes, maybe you want speed chess 5 minutes, and tap on start, and that changes the time. You can also choose to mute the app, okay, like that, or have it make sounds. And that's basically how to install the official chess.com chess clock or chess timer on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.